swing. And we talk.
Or is that my boob hitting it?
And we cry.
Is that a timer for something?
And we playing.
What are they playing?
They're playing one of
It's called checkers.
Yeah. And we don't eat popcorn. And with the heart is less, and we heal and he goes. And with the head is the Lord, I will sleep. And would go night night. The end. That was a great book.
Was that a great book? You want to read another one?
Yeah.
Want to read this one?
Yeah. Go in the bath. I was dirty.
Is that the name of the book, I Was Dirty?
Yeah. Wait, Julian,
Nothing?
are you taking a picture?
No.
Why?
You're reading to me.
And I'm reading?
Yeah. You going to read
Why?
that book to me?
Yeah, so I'll... Can you get one of these books to me? Please?
Which book do you want?
2.
This one?
Yeah.
Just go to bed?
No.
Just a mess?
No, yeah, let's bring 2 of them.
Okay.
And bring
Bring 'em where?
For me.
Here.
Here. Thanks.
You're welcome. Okay. So what's this one called? I'm Dirty?
Yeah.
I'm a dirty little boy?
Yeah. I'm a dirty little boy. I'll turn the page!
Okay, you turn the page. Okay, read the book for me.
And with hearts, and they take a bath. And they want to say, and they love each other. And we take a bath. And we go in the bath and
We wash our face,
wash our face,
wash our hair,
wash our hair, and we go to sleep. Turn the page. And we take a bath for the frog. And we go to sleep. And we climb up to the bath.
Not exactly sure what's going on right there, huh?
Yeah. I turn the page. Oh.
Be gentle.
Oh.
Be gentle.
And we go to sleep. Aww. And with the high, we go. No.
Did you miss something?
Yep, I missed something. And we go and we love. We wash our Wash your mouth. Eat. Then, And with my mom comes right here.
Are you just a silly boy?
Yeah, and we climb up to the bath. And go to sleep. And we go night. The end. That was a great book, Grandpa. I missed my books.
You gonna read these books too?
What? Go to bed.
That's what it says. Just go to bed.
Here we go. Here we go.
Is he a cowboy?
Yeah. He's a cowboy. And with the house, I goes. I could take a bath.
You need to take a bath?
Yeah.
Is it because you stink?
Yeah.
Are you a dirty boy?
Yeah. I have to go take a bath. Jackie's gonna get me.
Jackie's gonna get you a bath?
Yeah.
Jackie,
Yeah.
are you gonna get him a bath?
I don't think he needs a bath.
He
You
thinks
don't
he
need a
does.
bath right now, do you?
Yes.
You're not all stinky.
Yes, I know.
Are you gonna? I've got to clean the house
Why?
because it's a mess, and we have lots of people coming over for when? Christmas. Can you sing? Hey. Can you sing the Santa Claus song?
No.
You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping.
He's no longer awake. He knows when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake.
He knows if you've been,
Bad or good.
so be good for goodness sake. Well, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming
To town.
to town.
He's
trying to sing like you. Is your hair going?
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a million kisses.
no.
Why not? Why not?
Because I don't want to.
Because you don't want to.
Hurry up.
You're too heavy. You're too heavy. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, there you go. There you go.
Hurry
You're
up,
silly.
Grandpa.
Have a kiss?
No.
Why not?
Because I want to.
All right, go give Jack a kiss then.
No.
She needs one.
Well, I want one.
You want one?
Yeah.
Okay, go get one. Are you just expecting one to get delivered?
Let me up, Grandpa. You can't.
Go give Jack a kiss.
Yeah.
She needs one.
Oh, please come give me a kiss.
I can't, so I'm upside down.
Oh, okay.
Let me up, Grandpa.
You stuck?
Ew.
Ew. That's your new word? Ew?
It's delicious.
That's your new word? Ew? Ew?
No kisses for me. I don't want any.
Why?
I don't want any.
Why?
Well, you should give her one.
Do you want to give me a kiss?
Ew.
No? Okay.
Ew.
Ew.
Okay, I'll take kisses. No, I won't.
Yes.
I love you. I love you. I love you so much. I love you
No.
No.
I don't want any pictures.
You don't want any pictures? Oh, let go. Let go. You don't want any pictures?
No.
No.
What is that?
Coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah.
Can I drink it?
You won't like it.
Why?
It's for grown-ups.
Why?
It just is for grown-ups, that's all. You gonna read some more?
No.
No? We all done reading?
I'm
How about a kiss? How about a kiss? No hitting. No hitting. How about a kiss, though?
Anyone? I am upside down.
You are upside down. You are upside down.
Yeah.
Give me a hand. Ah. Hold on.
Grandpa.
Fall down.
Ew.
Ew. Where's your head?
This my feet.
Ew. I know those are your feet up there. Where's your head?
I don't know.
You don't know where your head is?
Right here.
There's your head. There's your head. Are you attacking Grandpa?
Ew.
Ew. Ew.
Ew. I don't want that.
You don't want what?
I don't want a picture.
Okay, I won't take any pictures.
Yes.
I won't take any.
Why?
Because you said you don't want any.
Well, I want any.
You don't want any.
Yes, I do.
Oh, can I have a kiss? For a million. Mwah, mwah. Million. Give me a million.
I can't reach till I'm upside down.
Somebody fell down. Somebody fell on the floor.
Me.
Who would that be?
Me.
Would that be Alexander?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Alexander.
What's your whole name? What's your whole name?
703444866.
Where do you live?
Started Virginia.
What's your street?
Baba Court.
Loblolly Court?
Yeah.
What's your whole name?
703444866.
You're a silly boy.
Huh?
You're a silly boy. You're a silly boy. Look
I'm
at you.
standing on you.
You are standing on me. You're a giant boy.
Yeah. I did it again.